I think IoTCrawler is the kind of project we need right now in the internet. We can imagine today how would be internet without Google as a search engine that make easier to discover and understand all the content of the internet. So imagine all this transformation for billions of devices, and if we can transfer all the capacities like Google today to discover the devices, interconnect them. Of course, it's not very safety you discover suddenly one of your devices in a Explorer. That is the reason that all the security and privacy management, all these features that as IoTCrawler is doing are crucial features to guarantee that this search engine could be successful in the future. So really looking forward to see the result of this project and how to apply in the future.
Okay, I think that from a customer perspective, one of the key points would be privacy and security of the data, also ownership, so that we are sure that the data we are populating to this search engine remains in our control. Also, I think that the integration of different domains, data coming from different domains, could be very appealing for the end user, because then they can compose services that nowadays are impossible to conceive.
So I see the imminent value in this comparisons concept, where you actually have publicly available data that you can use either as a reference sensor that you can validate your own data against, but also a way to maybe figure something new out. So you can take a traffic counter, for example, and if I have air quality, I can start looking for patterns. So checking maybe some kind of parameters, so sensor parameters that's not readily available for a company like ours, but in a sense use this platform to actually correlate them, figure out how it performs, or maybe find patterns that we can use in our development perhaps.
I think it's a very interesting project because in IoT you have so many different objects, different data sets, different formats. So imagine what it means to have a search engine that can help you search and find information across all this heterogeneous landscape.